Hey, it's Tyler from ActiveBeat, and today I'm talking about beets. Beets are great. Here's why. You can make beets any way you want. If you like it hot, you can roast, grill, and boil beets. It makes a great side for a dinner, and it's easy to prepare. If you like it cold, beets are an excellent addition to a salad after being cooked in oil and vinegar. You can even go raw, sliced, or shredded. Some people love pickled beets. You can make a beet soup. There are so many options. What are you gonna do? Let's talk about nutrients. Beets have a reputation for being an excellent source of several vitamins and minerals. They are an excellent source of folate and manganese. Folate is important for synthesizing and repairing DNA, as well as helping with cell division and growth, such as during pregnancy or infancy. Folate also helps to produce red blood cells and prevent anemia. Not only that, but beetroot juice has been found to reduce blood pressure in certain individuals. This could have an effect on some factors of cardiovascular disease. It's likely a result of the nitrates in beet juice, which are converted into nitric oxide in your body, helping you relax your blood vessels. The betaines in beets helps protect cells from environmental stress, so it can help fight inflammation, but also to protect your organs and increase stamina. Not only that, but beets have often been a staple of a detox diet and are a great help to your liver. You're getting plenty of antioxidants from beets, and the betaines found within beets will help your liver better process toxins. Alright, that's 5 great things about beets that I just served up. Are you gonna include beets in your diet? I hope so. There's one other thing you should probably know though before you start eating beets. The red color compound in beets known as betaine is not broken down in the body. High concentrations may mean that things are going to be a little colorful at the end of the day, if you know what I mean. So you shouldn't be concerned though, because it's harmless and it'll cease once the beets are out of your system. And that's Beets from ActiveBeat. Thanks for watching. If you haven't joined our team yet, feel free to subscribe and share, and check out our related videos. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.